Hey everyone, it's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Today I am unboxing my new Valentino flush mount for my nail table. I ordered it from Creata Beauty out of Saskatoon and it arrived very nicely packed in lots of packing peanuts. It came with 6 of the filters for the flush mount vent. I shouldn't say it came. I did pay for them, but in the shipment it came with the vent. And then here comes the vent. It was a little hard to get it out of the box. Nicely packed again by Valentino. There's the grate that's going to go onto my table. These are the brackets and the screws. And then my instructions. There's the cord. And then here is the vent. It is so small and compact. I absolutely love it. Nicely packed in a bubble wrap as well. And here we are. We're trying to figure out how I want to put it into the desk, if it should go into the center of my desk or if I want it closer to me. I decided on putting it closer to me. That way it's better for my elbows, my shoulders, my back, and my neck. And then here was me having a little bit of difficulty adulting, trying to figure out which way the actual vent went underneath the desk. But my good friend Florence, who did my install for me, she had read through the directions that I had emailed to her that Valentino sent me, and she had everything all figured out. I'm just pointing to the screws that are in my desk that are holding the pine wood together. I did 2 pine shelves and I wanted a 1-inch thickness on my desk, so they're each a 1/2 inch, which is why I have the screws there. So I'm just showing her where they are on the table so we know where to put placement. And there we go. Starting to remove the protective wrap. Florence was drawing a template out and then we realized that the instructions actually did come with the template. For whatever reason, I didn't see it when I first unpacked it. I called Creata and I said, hey, I'm missing the template. And they had said, oh, you can just measure. So we were like, okay, I'll just measure. And then I contacted Valentino and they sent me the email instructions. So I had an electronic copy, which turned out great because I was able to email that off to Florence. And this protective wrapping, wow, this was stuck onto the grate. I was actually really impressed with how well it protected. Look at that beautiful shine on that new grate. Oh my gosh. And then it got stuck and Florence was like, here, let me help you, honey. That was me, having trouble adulting, my goodness. Pick up all the sticky stuff. So Florence has cut out a template, which actually did match the one that came in the box. So I will add that into this. And the ruler she is using came from Lee Valley Tools. I don't know if they still sell it. It sounded like she'd had it for a while. We were deciding at this point whether we were going to silicone the vent in for a better seal. And I had kind of thought about siliconing the filter holder, but then I didn't really want it to be there stationary, or permanently I should say. And that's when Florence had suggested that we silicone the top of the vent. And she had actually picked some up at Home Depot for me. And there's Simon making an appearance. And now we're getting ready to cut a hole in my table. Florence had pre-drilled 4 holes, 1 in each corner, in order for her to get the jigsaw placed accurately. As you can see, the jigsaw does cause a lot of vibration, so my camera is shaking a little bit, and I didn't realize by the time we got to the end of almost cutting this, the camera had rotated quite a bit. It does look scary, at least to me, when we are using the jigsaw on my table, because it looks like she's cutting way too far, but it's due to the placement of the blade on the jigsaw. We realized that the one line wasn't dark enough, and we fixed it. And here's the end result. Thanks for watching my video today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post a video. Bye!